Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the transparent heel closely to identify cracks, splits, or delamination. This tells you whether you'll bond or fill. Clean the surfaces with 90% isopropyl to remove oils, then lightly scuff both mating faces with 200-400 sandpaper to improve adhesion. Once done, align the pieces dry and secure with tape to maintain shape. Mix a small batch of clear epoxy per instructions. You want a working time long enough to position parts, but short enough to avoid drips. You now apply a thin, even coat of clear epoxy to both prepared surfaces and press them together. Avoid trapped air by starting contact at one edge and rolling to the other. Make sure to pad clamps and use even pressure so the transparent heel retains form without warping. If the heel has internal voids, inject clear UV resin or epoxy in thin layers, allowing each layer to cure fully. This prevents shrinkage and clarity loss. Keep the heel level and out of dust while curing. You begin finishing by sanding the cured repair wet, moving from 400 to 800, then 1,200 grit to remove high spots. Once smooth, use a plastic polishing compound to restore transparency and shine. Make sure to seal any remaining seam with a thin clear silicone bead and allow 24 hours for full set. If cloudiness appears after cure, repolish and apply a thin resin coat to restore clarity. If the heel repeatedly flexes and fails, reinforce the area internally with a thin insole plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.